Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to cut and trim videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this one is the beginners edition. So in case you are a pro or a legend in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can still watch this though, but share it to any beginner out there. But before I start, please don't forget to comment, like and share, and let's get started with today's video. Okay, so before you can start, you have to know how the workspace looks like. So this is like a default workspace. I normally want to go by this way. It's easy to edit and change some things, but this is how normally I prefer it. And as I said with the introduction, we are going to learn how to cut and trim a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So before you can start, you need to have a media or a video in the workspace, of which you can start by double clicking here. Once you double click, it will take you to wherever you want to get your videos from. This is where normally I get my videos from, so it's automatically brought me here. So you can go to raw videos and then select a video. But with this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily bring any media into Adobe Premiere Pro, which is just by dragging. So once you select whatever you want, you left click and then you drag and you drop it, and boom, the magic is done. So you can see we have this one here. So the first step is you can double click to import any video, or you can just drag and drop it. So now we have our video, and this is a video I shot just before making this tutorial, and that is what you are going to use. So now you just double click and then it shows here. So you're going to do some small alterations here, and then you can probably bring it here. But with this one, you can cut and trim your video at this side and then also at this side. So now let's just listen to a short portion of this video. This is like a 29 seconds video, and we know how to go about things. All right, so this is just where I want us to listen to. So you can see this is a 29.02 video seconds, and I will want to just have this part in my video. So I will just drag from here to here. So let's say I want to get the 6 seconds and 11 nanoseconds part to 13 seconds, 26 nanoseconds part in my video or in the project that I'm working on. I will just have to move it to this side, and then let's make it 6, yes. And then click on this one, mark in, move to the next side, and then click mark out. So now you can see that the selected part is being highlighted, which means that in case I'm going to work with it, that's the part which is going to be moved to the next thing or to the next place. So this is the first step of how to cut and trim your video. So now let's say this is the part I want to use. I will just bring it here. You drag gently and then you just drop it. So you can see that it just took only the selected parts or only the trimmed part for your work. So now let's come to the cutting. So even with this one, I will still want to cut out some parts of this video from it. I just have to come here and select the razor tool, or C for the shortcut of the razor tool. You click that one, and then you can see it's showing a razor or a blade kind of icon. You select the parts you want to cut out, select here for example, and then you come here, and then boom, you are done. You come back to the selection tool, or V for shortcut, and then you can quickly take this one out or hit delete, or in the other way around, you can just select that part, you press delete, and then you are good to go. You just join these videos and you are good to go. So this is how to cut and trim a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you understand this tutorial very well. In case you need anything relating to Adobe Premiere Pro, please drop in the comment section and I'm going to solve it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can rewatch this video as many as you want for you to get it better and design well. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. The name is Manuel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.